Welcome to Spring Lib.
Hello students, in this question it is given that a professor wishes to see if the students show a time preference for statistic classes. A sample of 4 statistic classes show the enrollment. Then at alpha is equal to 0.01 level of significance, we need to check whether the students show a time preference for the classes. That means we need to test the hypothesis H0. Students do not shows do not shows time preference for the classes versus the alternative hypothesis is HA, that the students show time preference for classes. And now to test this hypothesis we are going to use the chi-square test in which the test statistic is given by chi-square is equal to summation of observed frequency minus expected frequency bracket square divided by the expected frequency. So suppose this is equation number 1. Now here we have already given the observed frequency and we need to compute the expected frequency. So we can compute the expected frequency EI, which is capital N divided by K, where capital N is the sum of the observed frequency and sum of the observed frequency is 116. So this is equal to 116 divided by K is the number of categories, and here we have 4 different categories. So 116 divided by 4, that is equal to 29. So by using this we can calculate the column for the EI, that is expected frequency, which is 29 for each of the given categories. And the total of this expected frequency is 116. Now by using this we can compute the test statistic value, that is from 1 chi-square is equal to, now observed frequency is 24, expected is 29. So 24 minus 29 bracket square divided by 29 plus 35 minus 29 bracket square divided by 29 plus 31 minus 29 bracket square divided by 29 plus 26 minus 29 bracket square divided by 29. And after simplification of this we will get the value of a test statistic, that is chi-square is equal to 2.5517. Then the degrees of freedom for the chi-square test is k minus 1, where k is the number of categories. So this is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Also we have given the significance level alpha is equal to 0.01, and at this test statistic value, by using the chi-square distribution table, we will get the required p-value is equal to 0.4660. Now we know the decision rule that when the p-value is less than the significance level, then we reject the null hypothesis, that is H0. So here, since this p-value is greater than alpha is equal to 0.01, therefore we fail to reject H0, and hence we can conclude that there is insufficient evidence to support the claim that the students showed the time preferences for the classes. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.